Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to partner with you as we demystify speech sound disorders in bilingual populations, specifically school-aged children. This course will be packed with practical takeaways regarding common phonological processes in Spanish English bilingual children, as well as choosing appropriate goals, intervention approaches, and the language of intervention. We will also talk about a variety of culturally and linguistically appropriate resources and strategies to use in therapy with bilingual children. Can't wait to learn together.